Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use boron fertilizer. Boron is a truly vital micronutrient, absolutely essential for healthy plant growth and development. It plays a crucial role in many plant functions, including cell wall formation, efficient sugar transport, and successful reproduction. Understanding its importance is the first step, as a deficiency can lead to significant issues like stunted growth and poor fruit set in a wide variety of crops. Let's dive in. Recognizing boron deficiency is key to timely intervention. Keep an eye out for telltale signs such as cracked stems, hollow hearts in root vegetables, and noticeably poor pollination. You might also observe young leaves appearing distorted or thickened, and in severe cases, the plant's growing points can even die back. However, the most accurate method to confirm a boron deficiency in your soil is always through a comprehensive soil test. This provides precise data. Applying boron correctly ensures your plants receive the right amount. You can apply boron fertilizer directly to the soil before planting, or as a foliar spray during the plant's growth cycle. For soil applications, typical rates range from 1 to 2 pounds of actual boron per acre, depending on your specific crop needs. Foliar sprays offer quick uptake, often requiring about 1/4 pound of actual boron per acre for effective results. Always check product labels. When using boron, remember that too much can be just as harmful as too little. Over-application of boron can actually be toxic to plants, so always adhere strictly to recommended application rates. Ensure you distribute the boron evenly across your growing area to guarantee all plants receive adequate, but not excessive, amounts. Also, consider your specific soil type and pH levels, as these crucial factors significantly influence how available boron is to your plants. Be mindful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.